Good morning. My name is Jaco Holzhausen. I'm the DA Ward Councillor for Ward 18 in Mogale City. Today we are in Brunanda in Afrikaner Drive, next to one of the treasures in our town, which is the Kenme Kloof, a natural river starting at this area just behind us. So about 2 years ago we started from our side and my side to put in motions to Mogale City, as well as a petition where we received over 1,500 to 2,000 signatures, where we asking Mogale City to close down the area, as this is a protected area. It's a biodiverse protected area. Now, after 2.5 years, we've received administration order from Mogale City informing the residents and the visitors that this area will now be officially closed and entrance into this area is prohibited. So I think we're very glad, and we've actually won this war, this battle. The war's not won yet, but today, we're handing out pamphlets to all the visitors, of which about 90% is not from our area even. They're coming from Boksburg, Brandfort, as far as Benoni to visit this area. And we're handing out pamphlets informing them that this area will be closed and they must please not come back, so that we can protect our area and restore it to its official and original beautiful area as it was. Thank you.